LNPH like from the pin. Sorry, I will be in bed. Ayan, that time. Oh, no worries, my Miss Kayak. Ayan, thank you so much. Yes, please connect. Yes, I play that also. Yes, thank you so much for the like. Yes, thank you, Miss. Yes, I go to your link later. Ayan, Miss Kayak, okay? I say you watching and like your upcoming also. Yes, thank you so much. Please guys, connect to Kayak 7 Seas. Ayan, yung link po guys na binaba ni Miss Kayak. Thank you so much, ayan, for your support. And good evening. Good evening to you, dear. Yes, thank you so much. Okay, papakita tayo. Wait lang guys. Kasi dapat mag-charge ako ng phone. Yes, thank you so much also. Yan, okay. Hello. Hello. Hi. Thank you. Thank you so much, LNPH. Thank you. Yes, thank you also, my dear. Thank you, Miss Kaya. Miss you, sis. Ayan, good evening. And later I have a premiere also, but my premiere is you're sleeping. You're in that is my schedule. Every weekly I have a premiere every Tuesday Philippine time, 4:30 p.m. and that is my fixed schedule of my premiere. Every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesday is 4:30 p.m. and Friday 7:15 in the evening Philippine time. Ayan. LNPH. Are those flowers really? This one is no. This one is no, but this one is no also. This is the real flower, and I have a cactus. Yes, this cactus is true, but this one is artificial. I love flowers, do you know? Miss Kaya, I love flowers. So I have a flowers in my live stream. Always I have a flower. And also okay, I have a dog here. Ayan. Because my pet is dog, so I have a dog. See? Okay. Sisi Kay Talong, mega love shoutout. Sis Tawang, wait mo lang sa sa ating banana. Ayan. Cool. Yes, fantastic. Yes. Oh, thank you so much, Miss Kaya. Tusok Sisi, salamat. Tahoging Carla Vlogs. Yes, beautiful. Thank you. Sandy Brown, flowers, beautiful, sweet Asian woman. Yes, I love flowers. Sandy Brown, thank you so much for joining my live. Yes, Sisi Kay Tahong, salamat, Sisi. Ayan. Si Janet Skidini. Ayan. Salamat, Sisi Koy. Okay, thank you so much for joining my live. Ayan. And thank you also yesterday. Ayan. I wanna thank you to all those attending my birthday LS. Ayan. And I'm very happy. Ayan. To those all people, ayan, supporting my channel. Ayan, joining my live, watching my premiere, my upload videos, and also my short video. To all my friends, ayan, thank you so much. To my members, super sticker and super chatter, thank you so much, guys. Okay. Ayan, silip-silip Sisi. Ayan din, Kangaroo. Naka-live main ko. Kaya nga Sisi ko, hindi. Ang dami kaya nakaano ngayon.